You may not realize that we lived in a magical world. A world where dishes would clean itself and furniture would fix itself. You may see this magician every day, yet there's more to him than meets the eye. He's the first to check when something goes bump in the night. The one who triple checks the locks before bed. He doesn't always say it, but he has his own way of watching, loving, and protecting the family. And now, he's not alone. Reolink security cameras stand watch by his side. With smart AI detection, real-time alerts, and crystal clear night vision, Reolink helps fathers to protect what matters most. From the front porch to the backyard, whether he's at work or just upstairs, he sees, hears, and knows. This Father's Day, we celebrate the ones who never stop looking out for us. Thanks for being the first line of defense, and for letting Reolink be the second.